What should I do if I'm in an accident with a commercial truck? Hi, I'm Eric Stevenson with Stevenson and Klotz Injury Lawyers. Join me today as I talk about this. So, clients get in accidents with commercial trucks like big 18-wheelers, or maybe an Amazon or a FedEx delivery truck, or maybe a truck that's used by a construction business, right? Anything that is typically, we think of a commercial truck as anything that's owned by another business. Usually those types of trucks are bigger trucks. They carry heavier loads. And so what do you want to do? What do you want to make sure you do if you're in that type of an accident? If you're struck by a big 18-wheeler or a FedEx truck, right? So what do you do in that situation? Well, the first thing you want to do is document, right? Take pictures of the scene. Don't assume that that other vehicle is going to do anything to document the accident. Take pictures. If you got to move your cars, take pictures before you move the vehicle. Also document your injuries. Take pictures of your injuries. If you've got bruises, if you've got scrapes, if you've got anything like that, take pictures, and take pictures over the time that it's healing. Take pictures so you can, if you have a surgery, take pictures of the wounds after the surgery. That way, later, if you're in front of a jury, you can show them exactly what you went through. So you want to document, right? You want to take those pictures. You also want to document your injuries by going to the doctor. The way that we show a jury that somebody's injured is through their medical records. Here's the sort of treatment they have. So make sure you make all of your medical appointments. It's really important in a commercial trucking accident. The other thing is this: you want to get a lawyer involved as quickly as possible, because these days many commercial trucks have GPS on them. They also have devices on them that can record the speed of how fast the vehicle was going, whether somebody applied the brakes. All sorts of data that we can get from commercial vehicles these days that you're going to want to have your lawyer send what's called a preservation letter to that company to tell them, hey, preserve all of that evidence, don't destroy it. If they do destroy it later, that could really hurt them in their case, so they're likely to preserve that evidence, and then your lawyer can get it later, and it can really help with your case. So if you're injured in a commercial vehicle accident, you want to get a lawyer involved as soon as possible, one who knows what they're doing in commercial vehicle accidents, one who knows what sort of letters of preservation to send out, what sort of treatment people need, and how to go to trial if necessary. So really great question. Most lawyers who help people in this type of accident work on what's called a contingency fee, which means they get paid a percentage of what they recover. It's that no fees unless we win. Also, most lawyers don't charge a consultation fee in this type of case. I know our firm doesn't. So if you are injured in a commercial vehicle accident, call a lawyer. Probably doesn't cost you anything to talk to a lawyer to make sure you know your rights about what to do in the case. Document and talk to a lawyer. Those are the most important things that you can do if you are injured in a commercial vehicle accident. So my name's Eric Stevenson. I am with Stevenson and Klotz Injury Lawyers. We're located in Pensacola, Florida. And if you are injured in a commercial vehicle accident, bring your case to us and we will bring it to the commercial vehicle company. Thank you.